This is a 1989 Casablanca Meridien Ceiling Fan. This is the second video of this fan I've done. The first video was it with that light kit, posted a few months ago. But here's it with a K4B because no one wanted it to be on it. So I just sold this fan yesterday, and I'm going to take it down after I film this, so why not just do a video? So this video is going to be shorter probably because I'm just making it as a quick little video. So demo mode. This fan has new bearings, new flywheel, but the board is still original because it works. And when I sold a person this fan, he also wanted a light. And I gave him several options to choose, and he chose one of those like kind of bowl-like kits. Not sure what it's called, but it's one of those flat glass light kits by Casablanca. I think it's the K4C. No, the K4C is that Williamsburg light kit. Let me just show you. It's this light kit. If you can see it, I'm not sure. So I'm going to now do like speed 1. There's the lights. It used to be pretty loud because it had a 1989 flywheel that was as hard as a rock. So now it has a flywheel from a 2004 Panama. So it's soft, balanced, and flexible. So it now works perfectly with almost no wobble. Speed 2. Oops, that's light. The light kit is from Delta 2 that I parted out. And the light kit is from 1994. The fan's from 1989. 3. 4. 5. 6. 'See, there's almost no wobble at all. And we will wait for a spin down. And I thought I'd show you, I added the hole plug for my Emerson blender fan, so it now has a bottom. It's chrome. It's for a vanity, but it works on my blender pretty well. And I also updated the control, which is now like this. I can turn the blender on with that Casablanca W4, And there's the wall control. And it's the rare one with the snow white edges. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!